Live. What's up? What's up, everyone? Aye, what's good, bro? What's good? I'm a little bit late, but we still good. Market doesn't really move a lot. Yeah, you can see it doesn't really do much. My For You page is full of trading videos. Hey, bro, listen, that is nothing. Trust me. All the ads, if you don't have YouTube Premium, all the ads are gonna be filled with um trading stuff. So bullshit. Trust me, it's all trash. But we are here nonetheless, trading as always. Yeah, don't just do one thing, right? One thing. If it's too good to if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Don't believe it. It most probably is. That's one. Two. If they ask you for money, then they are scammers. 100%. Nobody in their right mind will just ask for, like, a non-scammer will not ask for money. Simple. They ask money, they're a scammer. And yeah, if it's too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. So don't believe anything they say too. Hey brother, I'm good. How you doing, man? I'm okay. I am good, my brother. Interesting. It's good. It looks like a long. I mean, for now, yes, but until this area here. See this area right here? This resistance, we may see a short from there. But we'll see. We'll see. Because if you look here on the daily, the market respected this area. Bang. See that? Bang on. Hi, what instrument are you trading in? I look at all the like some of the Asia pairs, which is pound yen. Then we have Aud Jpy. By the way, guys, who was here yesterday, last night? We took this trade live on stream, and look at this, bro. This trade played out so perfectly, right? Like, look at that exit, bro. Holy shit, that is so precise. Amazing, amazing trade. That is a 1-2, almost 7 risk to reward. Jeez, bro. Insane trade. I called this live yesterday. So if you took it, congratulations. If you didn't, and if you guys remember, I did say that we will wait for the break below this low, which happened. The retest, boom, which happened. After that, bang, sell. Insane, dude, insane. I also sent it to the Discord. I sent it to the Discord yesterday as well. Any signals? What's up, buddy? Right here. Got it. Yeah. Let me see something. Aud Jpy. Yeah, right here. This is the trade. There's the trade, the before, and then after, and then obviously the update. Bangers, bro, bangers. Literally live. How much time it takes that day to trade? Which this trade took, what is this, 30-minute time frame? So let's say you entered here, 30 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. If you waited till the last TP, took 6, 7, 8 hours. If you held all the way from A to the last point, that would have been, did you end up taking it? Of course, 100%. I sent it. Look, you guys, remember when I said I'm waiting for a break below the structure? Look, it happened. And then when it happened, you just set a sell limit and then bang. But obviously that happened because I closed my I just put a trade in GBP. Remember I closed my live at what, 2 a.m. So this happened at 3, right? This break happened at 3 after we finished our live stream. And then this happened at 6 in the morning. So London session. Beautiful, beautiful. Or going into London session. I just put a trade in GBP yen. Oh yeah? What trade? Long, shorts? First time when you child during talking, you scoped that out. Good job. Thank you, bro. What time frame did you take entry on? Short. Okay. You see, it doesn't matter. How is my entry time frame helps you? What does help is once you see this break of structure on the 15, bang, you set a stop limit, a sell limit. A sell limit could be triggered on a daily. A sell limit could be triggered on a 4-hour. It just depends what you're looking at. But usually, after this 15-minute break of structure, then I'm confident enough to take an entry after this, 5 minutes, sometimes, 5 minutes, whatever. But yes, so the questions, I'm going to help you guys out with something, right? Sometimes you guys really ask the wrong questions. You ask, what time frame did you take the entry on? But bro, it doesn't matter. Let me tell you why. I started learning this stuff. I'm gonna tell you why, because what does it matter what entry time frame I was looking at? I could be looking at 1, 5, 10, 100. It doesn't matter. The question is, what made you took this trade? What did you see that made you decide I want to take a short here? That's gonna help you. But knowing what time frame I executed, it does not matter. When I go on my MetaTrader, right? I'll show you right here. Look, I'm gonna open my phone, go to MetaTrader, right? Go to my charts, bang. It's a 1-hour time frame. I never change it because I do my stuff here. I just go here and then boom, sell or buy. Simple. I don't even look at the stuff here. So it's all here. So what time frame you took your trade on does not matter. Be like, ask the right question. What makes you take this trade? I'll tell you. Very, very simple. Yeah, I didn't chart on MetaTrader. You don't chart? No, fuck no. I hate that chart on the MetaTrader. That's why I took this trade. Look, we have resistance. This is a 4-hour time frame. Remember, I always take trade based on higher time frame, and then, take it based on smaller time. So, resistance, support, resistance. What do you think is gonna happen here? Same thing. Break and a retest. Bang. Once this 4-hour candle closed like this, I was even more confident in this trade. Bang, you just take it. And then, if you marked up your charts the same way I do, watch this. Watch this break and retest. Break, retest, continuation. bro, this shit is so simple, man. You just gotta be patient. So that was yesterday. Let's not focus on yesterday. Let's focus on today. And we'll start with pound yen, right? I always start with pound yen because it's like my main pair. Why don't you chart on MetaTrader? Because how could you chart on your MetaTrader? It's honestly terrible. It's so bad. Like TradingView, you have everything you need, all the tools. Why would you need to chart on MetaTrader, on TradingView? Why? So guys, pound yen, right? Pound yen. But I don't understand how split screen into watch fib separately. Okay, hold on. Ice cream always bangs it at night. I don't know why. Okay, bro, I've paid version of TradingView, but I do not understand how you split your screen into two. Here, right here. You see this right here? That's where you split it. You could do one chart, or you can split it to two. You could even do it like this, but I don't like this. I don't know. Do you guys prefer this? I don't know if I do, low key. I don't know, it looks weird to me. I'm not used to it. Yeah, this looks fire up the shisha. Hey bro, I swear to God, don't make me do it. I will do it. Don't make me do it. It's been sitting here for 2 days now. Don't make me do it, man. Don't make me do it. Stop it. No. Okay, hold on. Let's break let's break something down here, right? Let's break something down. Okay, I'll do it. Actually, I feel like it. I will do it now. Okay, so that just means you want to you're looking for a reason. Hey, my man knows how to. Okay, yeah, you understand. You know. If you said you're gonna make insane trade a negative one, bro. If I pull up this, I will make the best decision. Charts is gonna be perfect. Put some weed also. I don't have weed. I haven't smoked it in maybe years now. Actually, I haven't touched anything for years. Back when I lived in SA, I was wild, but now since I moved here, I just stopped. So, guys, trading. I'll fire this up right now. Hold on. So, GJ respected this major market structure point, right? You can see how it perfectly stopped at it. Let me just, you guys can see it here, right? Don't use the second. Why do you use the second of the same chart? Because I don't like my charts to be cluttered with too many lines, right? So here is the left chart is my markups, support, resistance. My right chart is only Fibonacci. If I put a Fibonacci on top of here, like look at this, there's just too many lines. I don't like it. I like my charts clean. I am OCD. I like my lines perfect. I like my lines clean. I like my charts clean. So this is too much for me. I delete it and then have it separately here. Clean, you see? Only Fibonacci. I understand. Here, support and resistance. I understand. Clean stuff. Right, so. All right, so GJ, we have a resistance here. We have a support here. Price made a support from all the way back there. See that? I'm going to delete these dumbass fucking... I hate alerts and how they look. I wish I could just remove the lines completely. Look how clean this is, bro. Look how clean this is. Super clean. Let's delete that too. Fuck it. Bang. Okay. First process of taking entry, please. I will. So what do you exactly put in, and what does it do? Does it do to you? What? In it, what? What are you talking about? Always rised. What do I put in what? Are you talking about this? You just put flavor in, if that's what you're asking. Like flavor, like tobacco, but like flavored. So like it doesn't, you know, smell bad or anything. It tastes good actually. Yeah. Yeah. So you put I could show you guys the bags. It's actually very expensive here in the UK. Fuck. Like you spend £60 on like half a kilo, 500 grams, and that shit lasts you like a week because I smoke every day. But anyway, that is a new world. This man is new in word. Okay, so we have obviously major support here. Bang, bang, bang. We have a support here. We have a resistance here. So now this is the first step, is to identify where your nearest resistance is, where your nearest major support is. So we know our blue lines. We know our blue lines are major support, major resistance. And the red lines is our... How's that? Is that better? I don't know, dude. It is what it is. Anyway. Fuck, it's too bright. So we identified our major support and resistance on the daily time frame, right? Then we're gonna identify our 4-hour support and resistance, right? So we have a resistance here. You can see price respected it here, it goes on, right? You can do this if you want. Mark this whole area, like mark the bottom of the candles as well, something like this, right? This whole area is a sell area basically. We'll see how price reacts in this area. If it rejects and respects, then I will be looking to short this back to here, right? If it doesn't, if it breaks, same thing would happen with this pair, the break and a retest, continuation. So that's what I'll be looking at: break, retest, continuation. And yeah, that's basically it. That's literally all I do. Obviously, I do this on this other chart here. I'm watching my Fibonacci. I know my fib is still in play on the daily time frame. Then my 4-hour fib, price is yet to make a market structure point, right? You can see it barely made the 61.8, but it never settled on it. And now it's trying to find its feet here to maybe continue the, what do you call it? The retracement, basically. Yeah. So that's it for now on GJ. This is my 1-hour fib. Oh yeah, this is good. So what's gonna happen is price is gonna settle at 50% and then come back down to 78.6. Dude, look what happened here. It broke, it retested 23.6, went down to 38.2. Played around here a little bit, broke, retest, bang, to this low. Broke, retest, this low. Try to break, now it's retest, back to this low. That's what I think is going to happen. If it doesn't, then it's just going to continue to fly. Then we'll wait for a little bit of a pullback for a continuation. What you can do actually is say that this is a 4-hour area of support, right? So this whole area here is a support. Because of my daily, I will keep it just on the daily like this. And then for those of you who like to scalp, you could just go on obviously the 15-minute time frame, mark the lows, mark the highs, and look at that. You could have literally, hey, what's going on, Omar? How you doing, bro? So you could have, bam, support, 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 price retest, take a long, bang, resistance, right? Price breaks, retest, continuation. Very simple. It's insane. I see everything better. Bro, I told you that video is gonna help you. That video that I did for you is ridiculous. Like, you may think it's simple, but now when you study it and apply it on your chart, you're like, damn, this is actually effective. It's simple, but yet effective. Which video? Oh, no. You guys don't get access to that. Only for the Discord members. No. I make, guys, I have a community, right? I can't just give you guys everything. I do my best here to give you as much as I can, but I also take care of my closed community on the Discord. We do private videos, lessons. I'm live active with them all the time. Insane private video. Yeah, it's helpful. So it's only fair because they paid to be there. So it's only a one-time payment. It's not like a membership or a monthly. It's like, it's just you enter one, you see the matrix now. Escape it. You just pay for entry, just so I know that whoever's gonna pay is actually gonna be serious and they're not gonna troll or scam, or because I have a Telegram public, and dude, like I so many people tried to started promoting their own signals, or people scamming people. It was terrible. But anyway, that is it for GJ, really. Yeah, I'll just wait. I'll put an alert around this area. That's where I'll probably be looking short, and then I will put an alert down here in case price drops, gives us a higher low, and then burn. We continue the long. If you trade trend lines, you can argue this is a trend line like that. So if you're one of those who trade trend lines, there you go. This could be your new higher low. I personally don't. I don't need it, but yeah, it's just there for you guys. The next pair that we're looking at is Audu Jpy. I think it is going to break a retest in a higher time frame, and we are going to bullish trend. No, listen, I mean overall GJ is bullish. Yes, I agree, it's gonna buy, but we may see some pullback before, so just be aware of that. Okay, Fibonacci here. We are yet to make a higher point on this Fibonacci, so we may see some sells still, right? And my 4-hour fib, man, this is clean. Look at that, clean 78.6 to then maybe see a nice push to the upside, right? So that's the fib on the 4-hour. Yeah, I don't have one on the 1 hour. 4 hours fine. Who taught you trading, or even introduced you to Forex? So I got introduced to Forex by an old friend. She was actually my ex's friend. But we were also friend. So, and one day I was looking through like WhatsApp status, like how the stories are on Instagram, but there's for WhatsApp status. and then she posted a picture of her making profit. So I sent her a message. I was like, yo, like, what is this? What am I looking at? And then she was like, yeah, this is Forex. I trade Forex, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, holy shit, fucking teach me, bro. And then she was like, all right, cool. I'll teach you. She gave me a few lessons. She taught me everything she knew back then. She didn't know much, to be honest. It was, jeez, man. Like, when I look at the stuff I was, you know, introduced to, it was all bullshit, you know. Millions of lines, millions of charts, millions of fucking this and that. Oh, it was terrible, man, terrible. And then I just went on my own, man. I went and searched online like all the top gurus. Name a single guru. I took their course. Name a single multimillionaire guru in the Forex industry, a legend in the Forex. I took his course. I didn't leave nothing. I took everybody's courses for 2 years straight. All I did is study. And then I figured out that I don't need to follow the exact same fucking no, fuck Audi, he's shitty. I don't need to follow the exact. All I need to do is to understand how the market moves, and then create my own formula, right? Create my own formula of trading. So I took a little bit of everyone. This concept from this trader. Then I like, okay, I like this concept from that trader. I like how this trader does his Fibonacci. Bang, 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 bang. Put it all together. You make your own. Because I bet you, if you go to any guru, you never see them trade like this. You may see somebody trade like one part, maybe one other part, but I just have a little bit of everything. The courses was mainly all the same thing you find on YouTube, on Google, right? I mean, obviously all the free stuff is free. You do get the same thing when you buy. You start, they give you all the basic stuff that you can find for free. And then you will literally have like 1 or 2 videos in the whole course that is something that's not available to the public, right? So you're basically, Monkey, you know the highs and lows video that I made you? Well, that I made the Discord, but you also have access to it. You know the highs and lows video? That stuff, right? That video, I got introduced to that concept from somebody. The only thing that I took from his course was that thing. That is it, right? The only thing I grasped from the whole, like the only thing that was different other than the free public education was that video. So sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not, honestly. You just gotta see who you like, what you know, who you like their chart, how they trade, all that stuff, and then just follow them, you know, and then create your own. All right, for our time frame, bang and bang. We may actually see some shorts here now. Actually, you know, this could be our second short for this pair. I mean, look, we have resistance here. It was used as support here, broke retest, and now it's retesting the same area again. And then let's wait and see how this 4-hour candle closes. If it closes below, oh, we Gucci, man. Look at that. This could be an amazing short, actually, from here to here. Right? Bang. 25 pips, 30 pips. Yeah. Yeah, 27 pips, easy peasy. Call it a night. So this could be another short opportunity here. But we'll just wait a little bit, see how it goes, see how this candle closes in 14 minutes. If it closes bearish engulfing, I'll go in with a short, no big deal, 1% risk, easy peasy. If it stops me out, it stops me out. I don't care. That's why every trade is like 1%. No trade ever matters to me, so I'll take any opportunity the market gives me. If it works out, great. If it doesn't, great. Makes no difference. So that's how you should also be looking at your trading. No trade should ever matter. Don't make any trade your all-in trade. That shit is stupid. Up today, can you please check it? Okay, I'll check gold for you guys. I'll check gold for you guys. So what do you think about all the AstroFX stuff? From what I heard and watched, they scammed many people, and they was big at one point with a lot of people following them. I mean, listen, you can't deny. I mean, they scammed a lot of people. Let me ask you this, right? Did they scam you? And how did they scam people? Like, okay, how did they scam people? Can you tell me? How did they scam people? I don't understand. How can someone give money to somebody and then be like, oh, they scammed me? But you literally gave him your money. Nobody forced you to give anybody money. I don't understand. How did they scam you? If you got scammed, I'm sorry, but you're the one it's your fault. It's your fault. You don't understand how the world works. It's your fault. You're not educated enough. Only fools can be scammed. It's your fault. No, not necessarily. Listen, scam me once, right? Whatever. Scam me twice, shame on me. Whatever the saying is. Basically, if you scam me once and I trusted you, it is whatever. I learned my lesson. Going forward for the rest of my life, I'm never trusting anybody, right? But if you like, you let this guy scam you and you let this guy scam you, like, you're the stupid one. I'm sorry. There are scammers everywhere. There's thieves everywhere. There's a video explaining it. They had people investing and employees working there, and they faked a broker, but it was all demo. It was different scam, bro. Watch the video. Honestly, I'm not gonna watch the video because why must I? It doesn't benefit me. It doesn't change anything in my life. I don't care. You know, I do me, stay in my own lane. I would never fall for it. Exactly. So, you know, like, why do people pay attention to that stuff? Just like, okay, you don't like them. It's simple. Just don't fucking. It was explaining what you asked. I mean, listen. You know how many I can find you a million of YouTube videos calling every different trader scammer, right? I can find you videos, people calling this guy scammer. I can find you people nowadays would make a video just for the views and clicks. This trader exposed. Fuck. AstroFX exposed. Thumbnail, big red thumbnail. Clicks, views, so that they can make money from YouTube. They have nothing to do. Honestly, I like they can fucking be scamming people for all like I don't care, right? That's between them and God. It's not my business. Gold, yes, gold, my man. 1 second. Forex exposed. Exactly. Sean Lee, yeah, but Sean Lee and Annette are the ones who own AstroFX. It's them. They both came together. I know the whole story. They both came together and created AstroFX. So you guys can remember I've been saying that gold will come back to this level here, even yesterday, right? which is the negative 27%, this Fibonacci will then be complete, right? Bang bang. And then now let's look here on the daily. Price found some sort of a support here. Okay, bang. We have weekly resistance. We have 4-hour resistance. I mean, honestly, bro, right now I wouldn't touch gold just because like price is below a weekly resistance, right? And it already tested it once and it dropped, right? Rejected the daily support and it flew. So now we could see some consolidation here in between this area. But if you trade consolidation, you can obviously sell high. Tomorrow news also, yeah, then definitely consolidation. Oh yeah, if there's high impact news, consolidation, bang 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 bang. Stay away from it. You see this alert that I have here? I was gonna take a short from up here, but price never got there, stopped here and dropped. Anyway, that is a 4-hour resistance. Look at that, price perfectly rejected it. I mean, you can take a scalp down, but like, I don't know, dude. You can take a scalp down. Down maybe to this area. Yeah, this area, because you have support here. Right, something like that. Support, resistance, support slash resistance. Something like that. But because there's news tomorrow, this could consolidate. Plus, this is not an Asia session. Like, it doesn't, this shit moves in. Look, 12 o'clock, London time. Bang, this shit is moving. Asia session comes, look, consolidation. See that? From 9:30, 10. Oh, from 8:30. Wait. That's, holy shit, this consolidation throughout the whole day. Oh no, my bad. 9, 10, 12, 13. Yeah, New York session, major push. And then obviously the rest of the night. 3 o'clock, New York, 16. New York ends. Markets are slowing down. This is night time, and now we here. So let's look at 12 o'clock again. Right. Last night, Asia session, this market dropped actually. Hold on. Damn. This happened during Asia yet last night. That's crazy. So we got 8:30 a.m. Eastern time to take a short. Yeah, you did mention it, dude. You did. 8:30. So 9 is 2 p.m. So that's 1:30 here. 1:30 in the afternoon, my time. I'll keep an eye on gold then tomorrow. Remember? Yeah. I remember, dude. I remember you mentioned it. You mentioned it. The profit of 20 pips. Hey, at least you secured some profits. That's good. That's very good. Okay. Same thing here with Euro JPY actually. 4 hour. Yeah, this is a nice short area right here. Check, we have structure here, and now it's rejecting it. What's the daily looking like? Daily there, and there. And we have weekly. Yeah, this is a great place to take a short actually. 1 hour. One to two. One to two. 1 to 3. That could work. I would take these. And this is AUD USD. It's almost a TP here on the daily fib, right? So we are almost at TP here, which is the 66,000, 0.66,000. We have daily support. What would you say was the best course you took? Do you regret any? The best courses I took. I mean, it's a little bit of everything, really. It's a little bit of a bit of Qs, bit of Drews, bit of Rauls, a bit of Mambas, a bit of Astros, bit of everything. It's not one thing. Do you have any regrets? Never. No regrets, bro. No regrets. Only lessons. But we have support, and now maybe break and retest resistance. Why are you laughing? What do you think about RT? He can't trade for shit, RT, bro. Bro, Audu blew up. I'll tell you, Audu blew up making fucking how to support and resistance videos. Like, these videos have been out for ages. The information is so fucking basic. Why are you saying that? Because it's true, bro. It's facts. All this stuff, and then he trades based on some, like, all this shit. Every video, it's him promoting the fucking indicator he made with his group or whatever. Like, and then bro, let's not talk about other traders, man. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Great area to shorts. Like there's we benefit nothing from talking about other traders, right? Each to their own. Like why would I be talking shit about the man? It is what it is. He could do him, I'll do me. Even I'm staying in my lane. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. I don't have time. Damn, look at this deep ass retracement for this fib, man. Still respecting this 100%. Holy shit. 100%, bro. 100%. That's the way it goes, you know? That's the way it goes. Bang, bang, bang. That's the way it goes, bro. Hey, man, no problem, bro. No problem, man. But yeah, gold right now, I don't know, dude. I don't trade gold for a reason. It's just I trade it sometimes, not always, but like, yeah. Why? Here's the questions that I really ask people, right? We all know gold is volatile, right? We all know how dangerous trading gold is. We all know gold can fucking blow your account, right? Unless you have a six-figure account, why are you trading gold? Why do you just not trade AUD USD or Euro USD or why? Why? Just because I trade gold. Like just because people trade gold and NAS and you do you trade anything else USD NAS? No, no, I don't need to, bro. These pairs so much easier, so much simpler, so much safer, and they make me the same dollars as gold makes you. Like I don't understand. People people need to understand unless you're an expert trader, right? Let's say you're a new driver, right? You've just got your license, you've just learned how to drive. Do you go buy and do you go and buy a Lamborghini, or do you buy, you know, a starting obviously a starting like a starting car, like something decent fits you for you if you can't drive well. But then if you're a pro racer and you're driving something fast, that's fine. You're a pro. But you're not a pro trader, so why are you racing, trading US30? And just because other people do it doesn't mean you can or you must. I'm learning gold only from 2 years, that's why. Oh, so you only purely trade gold. How many times have you blown your account trading gold? Why didn't you decide on something easier, simpler for yourself to make the process faster? Because these 2 years that you spend trading gold, oh, I am a pro. These 2 years you spend trading gold 3 times. If you spent maybe trading AUDUSD, you would have mastered AUDUSD already. You would have been some monster already making money because it's smooth, it's slow, it's nice. I know. I'm just saying my opinion. Don't at me. I'm just speaking my mind here. Resist the long GBP or Am I wrong? Let's see. Clean. A, B, C, bang, D. Super clean, boys. Super clean. That's the yen basket, by the way. That's the yen basket. Daily. Wait, this one? Try to focus on one pair that moves. Nurse in the session, trade master that makes so much money. But would be so confident after a bit. No yen. Oh, the yen. Oh yes. Yeah. So this pair, this fib now is finished, right? Because it reached our profit target, right? So now you just move to the new point A, right? Price right here made bang bang, and you move it down to here, and there you have it. There's your new fib, boys. So yen's gonna go up, which means UJ is gonna drop, which explains this, right? Which explain that. It explains this. Once price gets to this area, I'm trying to look for a little bit of a short to then finally maybe get that final push to the upside. Maybe, but that's again smaller time frame. On higher time frame, check. It's just purely a wick. Good night, more school again. Alright, bro. Take care, man. Oh, somebody asked if I could show them the process behind my entries, right? How you find entries. I'll actually do that now. while we wait for something to happen. Okay. Who was it that asked me to go through the entry process? Doesn't matter, I guess. I'll do it for you guys. So let's try and find a trade, and I'll show you like how I try and find my entries, right? What pair do you guys want to see it at? AD or GJ? Because of the alerts, let's go to AUDSD. Okay, so let's do some markups, right? Let's do some markups. So obviously you first mark your stuff, right? First mark your analysis. I will do that just quickly here. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, so you mark up your weekly charts, then you mark up your daily charts. Got support here, you got resistance there. Bang, you already trapped price in between here, right? Cool. For our time frame, look for some intraday support and resistance, such as this area, for example. See, support, support, bang, break, break. This could be used as resistance in the future. And if you look way back, look, it goes way back here as well. Same area. Bang, so we have that. We do have this mini one here as well. Bang, right? Now our time frame. So you have these areas to keep in mind. Once you do that, let's say price is now rejected. Let's say this candle closes below the level, blah blah blah, and we want to look for a short. Here's what you the first thing I do is I wait for the hourly closure so that I have my higher time frame supporting my decision with going short, right? I want to go short. This daily resistance is being respected. So what I do is I wait for some higher time frame confirmation, such as, 4-hour rejection, bearish engulfing, whatever. Once that happened, I drop down to 15-minute time frame, right? And I wait for a break of structure on 15-minute time frame. See this right here, for example, bang, right there. So I would be looking to something like that. Break, retest, I'll take an entry. Whether the retest is here or the retest here, either one is fine, right? We'll just watch the candles and see where the area is being respected and rejected, and then you take a short. It's really that simple. But you have to wait for 1 hour. Remember, higher time frame supporting your, you know, higher time frame bias short. Then you wait for, because you don't want to go against a 15-minute trend. If the 15-minute trend is going up, why would you go against it? Just wait for a break, because if you, let's say you're trying to buy here, but it's still coming down, right? But then look what happened. Price came up, down, it made a what? An equal low, bang, higher, new high, higher low, bang, entry, buy. Same thing you wait for here. You wait for a break of this low. You wait for a break of this low, bang. You wait for a retest, lower high. And then if you want, you could do like a little trend line, and then you take an entry based of the lower high, basically. Bang, something like that. And then you take the short. And then you basically now riding the 15-minute trend, but also you have higher time frame bias. You see how it all clicked? Did that make any sense to you guys? Do you guys have any questions? Yes, sir. Okay, good. Good. It made sense. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So don't ever go just because, okay, you're biased from higher time frame, you want to buy, but the trend on the 15-minute, like, don't go against it. Just wait for confirmation. Be patient, right? Be patient. I want to, like, sure, I want to buy from down here, but I wouldn't just buy. I would wait for confirmation. Higher, low, break of structure, all that stuff happens. Bang, entry, bang, buy. Simple. How do you find an entry here? Look to the left. Look, there's structure, there's structure, there's structure. There's madness structure here. Look at that. You can just mark it. Simple as that. Look, structure, right? Structure, resistance, support, resistance. What do you think is going to happen here? If it breaks, retest, support, bang. You take a buy. I don't know. It's really that simple, guys. That's how I find entry. Higher time frame bias, smaller time frame confirming my bias, downtrend, bang bang, break of structure, 15-minute time frame, and I call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini breakdown of how I find my entries when it comes to the market. Yeah, quick little session for you guys. Oh, look at that, boys. Watch. Can't make this up, bro. Look at this. But obviously, who can answer me now, right? If I want to take a short, what am I waiting for here? A retest. Close, but not quite. You're halfway there. You forgot about the break of structure of the 15-minute time frame, right? Right now, price is making higher highs and higher lows. Look at that. Right, exactly. Break, then the retest. So right now, the market is making higher highs and higher lows, right? We understand we want to sell based on high time frame, but price is still not ready to sell. So what we'll do for a break of structure, we'll wait for something like this, retest, continuation for the trend, obviously. Okay, something like that when the market is ready. Right now, I wouldn't sell. I wouldn't buy either. I'm on my phone right now, so it's a little harder for me to see. Ah. Wait, what? Stream is in like it's a good quality. It's in 1440p 60 FPS. So it should be pretty crystal clear for you to see. Stream is in good high quality. So, or do you want me to zoom in more? Oh, you have the chat up. I see. I understand. I understand. It's for the chat. I understand now. I understand. Honestly, I barely use my phone for anything right now. Like, I have the setup here. Right? I have my laptop here as well for MetaTrader open. So like, barely use my phone. Only for Instagram and wasting time. It's ridiculous. What the fuck? Bro, the first thing I see, I open Instagram is somebody at a nightclub, right? Somebody at a nightclub just randomly walks to the men's bathroom, sees someone busy peeing, and starts fucking him up, knocking him out. Like, why? The man didn't do nothing. The man didn't talk to you. He wasn't even facing you. A man just walks in the men's bathroom, finds a man peeing, starts fucking him up. The fuck? I know, it's pretty crazy, man. That's why I don't go on Instagram anymore. Coward. Terrible, dude. Terrible. That's why I don't even like. I don't party. I don't. Ugh, I did that for years. It's terrible. No value. Waste of time. Focus on you, king. Oh my god! Please don't leave us behind. Don't you dare leave us behind. Bro, what's your IG? I'd want to follow you. Ooh, there's a lot of not worth it at all if you're trying to go anywhere, stay focused. Exactly. So right here, what I would wait for is a break of structure, right? Somewhere along like this, somewhere along these lines here. Break, retest, continuation. But let's see what price does. Right, something like this. So let's put actually, I'm just gonna move this bad. Oh, bang. Just move this here. Euro JPY, AUD JPY. AUD JPY is a little bit more volatile. Look at the wicks and stuff. So it's a little bit more crazy than Euro JPY. It's a little bit less. It's a little bit less wicky, I guess. And then we have obviously AUD here. What about trailing stop loss? I mean, it's great if you're like a trend trader, right? If you're somebody who likes to like trend trade, basically you want to catch this whole trend coming down, right? You want to trade this whole trend coming down, and you start selling from here, and you hold it all the way down to here, and then every time the market makes a lower high, then you move it a little bit lower until right here. You would have been stopped out here. So yes, if you're a trend trader, that's amazing. Yeah, you should trail stops. Obviously, you should always secure some profits. There's never wrong in securing some profits. But for me personally, I'm a day trader, right? Trailing stops when you on like 5 minutes and 15 minute, you could think this is like there's lots of consolidation, there's lots of wicks. So you could trail stops and then you'll get stopped out and then you miss the whole move. But I have one stop, one TP, done. One trade, two max a day, I'm out. So it's just whichever you are, you know, whatever you are as a trader, do it. But yeah, trailing stops when you're trend trading, amazing. You should. How could you not? See your service going on, bro. Can you add this? Add what? What do you mean? Add what? Supply and demand order blocks? Add it to what exactly? What do you want me to add it to? It's an indicator? Oh, really? Why must I add a an indicator? You can see I don't use indicators if you haven't noticed by now. Supply and demand order block. Is this it? Is that the one? So what is all these lines and pointers here? What are we looking at exactly? Energy candles. Hold on, I will literally copy the exact wordings. Maybe you know the exact name of it. Supply and demand order blocks. Boom. That's it. I think that's the one, right? So this is what, 15-minute demand, the 15 demand. Look at this. Oh my god. Bang, bang. One candle. 10 pips. Yay. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Yeah, smart money, concept, order blocks, and so on. All the smart money stuff. So these are supply and demand area. Is that what you're saying? Okay, here is a question, right? Yes, okay. Cool. I'm gonna agree with you for a tiny bit, but answer me this. What about this area? What makes an area a demand area? Lots of buyers, right? Whenever price is at a certain price, bang, buyers. When it happens multiple times, that creates a demand at that specific price. They like to buy at that price, right? So why is the indicator not telling me that this is a demand area? I have proof. One, boom, there's you go, bang. This is every time price came here, they bought the shit out of the market. And we all know the only people who moves the market is banks, hedge funds, blah, blah, blah. Bang. They like this price. That's a demand area. Comes back again, retest, bang, shoots up. Comes, shoots up. Almost makes it, shoots up. It's not look at all the hours. It's respectful. Look at this is the 1 hour. What do you mean? So if I look at something like what 30 minutes time frame, see this is still a demand area because the price of the pair did not change. That's like my point. Do you guys like understand what I'm trying to say here? Is that like this area is a demand area, right? Because every time prices at around that area, a lot of buyers come in the market. But why is the indicator not telling me that? This is why I don't trust indicators. Let's look at higher time frame. Oh, look at that. So let's say I'm a trader that trades this indicator, right? And I'm right here. The market is right here. Boom, market moves up, it prints this. Okay, bang. Long position. I'm waiting. The market never comes back to my area. All right, cool. Market makes this new demand area. Bang. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, beautiful. If you had your entry there,
not here or here, or you know. Okay, miss, triggered, miss, 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 miss. Yeah, I think I'll be fine without it. But thank you, bro. That's amazing. It's a good indicator. Just not for me, bro. Not for me. If it benefits you and you making money doing so, hey man, why do you need me to tell you it's good? You go ahead. Check, 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 check. Price is respecting this daily on the AUD and it's about to close below. See that? The 1 hour wicked. It's trying to close below the level. And then we have 4 hour as well. 30-minute, 15-minute. So now we'll wait for the break of structure on the 15-minute time frame. Then we'll wait for retest. Bang. Continuation. So I have an alert here, so we can't miss it. This, I'm waiting for a break of structure. I have my alert, retest, bang, sell. Interesting. Here, look, it wicked, and now it's closing below. You see that? That's why I don't trust smaller time frame. Remember, guys, what I said? Smaller time frame, this could look like a break and a retest scenario to take along, but then you get faked out. Why? Because higher time frame is closing below the level. Look at the 4 hour. Look how it's closing. It's closing below the level, which means this is being respected. The resistance here. So now we wait for a break of structure right here. This could be the break of structure, which I think it may happen like right now actually. Aud Jpy, interesting. So you could do something like that, right? Short position, stops above 15 pips, 14 pips, TP down here, 1 2 2. Lovely, lovely. So I'll wait for a closure, body closure below, retest, bang, sell. Easy peasy, boys. GJ, yet to break the higher low, so it hasn't yet broke anything, any structures. So I'll wait for that. And yeah, like I said, I'll wait to close. I see. So it's playing games right now. But that's what I have for you guys today. It's not perfect, but it's a setup anyway. Take it or leave it, up to you. But I'm waiting for confirmation. I'm not taking anything. So it was 2 p.m. I should probably go get some rest. So shut eye. Are you try are you tried 50 in 30 days? Not necessarily in 30 days. No, it's in however long it takes me. So basically what I'm doing with that challenge right now is I'm not following the exact spreadsheet, right? So what I do is instead of
take the actual amount of risk. I take less risk, but it's gonna take me longer. But then instead of catching 20 pips, like trades like this one is almost 30 pips. This trade is, where is it? This is 20, 30 pips almost. And where's the other trade? Yeah, right here. 41 pips. So I'm taking less risk, longer pips, and it's gonna take me longer than just 30 days. But I actually blew the $20 account a few weeks ago. Oh, actually last week, I believe. So what I did is I took the account from, I made over 100% gain. I quadrupled the account, right? Then I took 2 big positions on GJ, and then I didn't set a stop loss. I completely forgot about it, because obviously when I trade my main, I focus on my main. Like the other, I completely forget about the $20. Like I completely forgot, because what I did is I was trying to take the same trade on my main as well, right? So I quickly entered the buys or the sells, I can't remember, on GJ, then quickly exit, go on my other account, take the trade, didn't forget to set stop loss on the $20, came back the next day, account blown. It happens, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie to you, you know, it's straight up honesty, bro. Like literally, it's happening. Trying to be more realistic, yeah, that's better risk management, absolutely. It happens, hopefully never on a bigger, bro, come on, bro, come on, no ways, man, no ways. Main account always in the blues, bro. Blues. I had a little bit of where's the red? 2, yeah, 1 loss in the last like month or so. Check, all blues. Literally 1 loss. Just being patient. Beast mode. Bro, this is chilled mode. This is me living my best life, man. I swear, man. No pressure from anybody. Just me, my own, minding my own business. Oh my god, look at that, bro. Look at them beauties. All right, guys. Oh, look at the break. See? Here's the break, guys. Here's the break of the 15-minute structure. Now you wait for a retracement, and you take a sell. This is not a signal. This is what I will be doing. The rest is up to you. You risk your own money. You do you. I'm not telling you to do anything. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow again for another live stream. Stay tuned for the videos. Please make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, all the good stuff. If you're interested to work with me on one-on-one, the link is in the description down below. Join the community, join the Discord. It's always a vibe in there. And yeah, I'll see you. Peace.